Another unique setup of the cable system is to do anything from ground height and above, or just ground height and outward. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up accordingly. Similarly as before, we want to have our work head rotated upright. Make sure the shaft is unlocked. Your locking bolt needs to go into position 14. It's very important for this step. Once the bolt is secured to position 14, tilt your work head upside down and lower it all the way to the ground. Once the cable is at its lowest point, we'll want to come over to the side, feed the end of the cable through the guide pulley, attach your appropriate handle. In this case, we have a floor to waist or floor to overhead lift